Namaskaram. We are completing 78 years since attaining political independence from Britishers. And as we unite to celebrate this momentous occasion, let us not forget to show our gratitude, our heartfelt gratitude to a generation before us that sacrificed every drop of their blood, their resources, their time, their energies to attain the most precious independence, political independence. Question arises to most of us who have not seen that slavery, how to appreciate the true freedom, political freedom, and what lies still ahead of us beyond the political freedom to an individual freedom that our land, Bharatvarsha, is known for. How can we attain individual freedom? Anyway, today is a day where we celebrate this great occasion of our independence. Our Tiranga, the symbol of our beloved Bharat, unifies us beyond religion, regions, caste, and creed. So this Independence Day, I urge everyone to join the nationwide Har Ghar Tiranga movement, honoring all those who sacrificed and cherishing this moment. Bring a Tiranga home and hoist it till 15th of August to remind us of our past struggles and a source of inspiration to continuously keep working towards a strong, prosperous, progressive, and unified Bharat Desh. Jai Hind.